So one of the best-selling electric trikes in the United States is getting an upgrade, and Lectric e-bikes just announced the brand new Lectric XP2 Trike, and it's gonna have 2 different versions. And it's gonna come in 6 different colors, which is gonna be amazing. Stick around, we'll go for a ride on the Lectric XP4, and I'll tell you all about it. But if you're interested after watching this video, and if you think that this trike's gonna be right for you, I'll put a link down below in the description where you guys can go see the current pricing, which as of launch, it's gonna be the same price as the original Lectric Trike at $1,499. And if you wanna wait and opt for the 750 watt version that's gonna be shipping in September, it's gonna be $1,799. And it's gonna have 3 more options for colors: a 750 watt motor with 20 more Newton meters of torque, a 17.5 amp hour battery instead of a 13 amp hour battery, and it's gonna have a torque sensor, which is amazing. But check out this spot I found here. Very, very relaxing on this bench. I sat here yesterday for like 20 minutes and just relaxed, watched nature. But I'm out here at Laurel Hill State Park, and so fun touring the park on the electric bikes. And there's tons of electric bikes here, guys. Most of them are Lectrics. I've seen a few others, but when Lectric tells you that they're one of the most popular e-bikes in the United States, I believe it. Because when you go to a campground, that's what you see the most of is electric bikes. And there's actually a Lectric Trike here also, which was cool to see. Now, if you do decide to pre-order the Lectric Trike2, it is going to come with a support seat, which is the bigger seat, a suspension seat post, and a premium headlight, the real big round one. So that's going to be pretty cool. Give you a couple extra accessories with your pre-order. And the 500 watt version is going to be shipping in the end of July, and the 750 watt version is going to be shipping in September. Now, if you think the 500 watt version is going to be right for you, it's going to come in 3 different colors: Stratus White, Tempest Gray, and Glacier Blue. However, if you want 3 more additional choices of colors in addition to those 3, you can get the 750 watt version also in Lavender Haze, Phoenix Red, and Dusk Blue. So that's awesome now that they're gonna offer 6 different colors for you to choose from, and I think that's gonna make a lot of people happy. Now, the 500 watt version is gonna have 65 Newton meters of torque with a 13 amp hour battery, and the 750 watt version's gonna have 85 Newton meters of torque, and it's gonna have a 17.5 amp hour battery, and the batteries are going to be capable of fast charging with the 5 amp charger. So if you purchase the additional 5 amp charger, you'll charge up about 60% faster than the 2 amp charger, which is pretty sweet. So a couple other cool features about the new Lectric XP2 Trike is that it's going to have a new hydroformed front frame, which is going to be a little bit more rigid and stable, which I never had an issue with the old one, but it's cool to see. I think it looks way better than the original square tube frame. And it's gonna have a front fork, which they call a cloud fork, and it's gonna have 50 millimeters of travel on the front suspension, so it's gonna be a way softer ride. But I do have a 500 watt version coming that I'll be putting through its paces, testing out the power, performance, speed. So if that's something you wanna see and wanna see the trike up close and personal, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I upload those videos, and stick around because I should also have a 750 watt version coming that I'm going to be putting head to head with the 500 watt version to see what kind of power it has compared to the 500 watt version and speed differences and things like that. So let me know what color you guys want to see in the 750 watt version, and maybe I'll try to get that color. But I do have the Stratus White coming in the 500 watt version. So like I said, stick around to see that. And if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these, please use the link down below in the description. I'll receive a small commission if you do use that link, which helps support this channel. And thanks in advance. I really appreciate the support, everyone. So this is the beach area at Laurel Hill State Park. Pretty cool, especially on these hot days. You can go in the water, hang out, do some swimming, some fishing, some kayaking. And I'm actually heading back to get the kayaks. We brought some kayaks. We're gonna go out, hang out, have a good time out on the water today because it's pretty nice and hot. But it's awesome to be able to tour around the campgrounds on electric bicycles. I always end up bringing the Lectrics. This time I brought the Lectric XP4, the Lectric XP 3.0, and also the Lectric Lite, and usually bring those because they're smallest, lightweight, still get good range on them. And if you guys want to see what kind of range I got out of the new XP4 traveling around here the first 2 days, go check out that video and it'll show you. If it's not uploaded yet, it will be in the next few days, but check out that video and it will show you what kind of range I got out of the 10.4 amp hour 500 watt version of this bike. But the new XP Trike 2 is also going to have a upgraded brake system with different parking brakes that are supposed to be easier to use. And I believe the 750 watt version is going to go around 17 miles an hour, and the 500 watt version is going to be about 13 miles an hour, which is nice because I felt like 13 to 14 miles an hour on the original one seemed a little bit slow to me. But that's just me. For most people, it's going to be plenty fast, and honestly, they probably don't want it going any faster because a lot of people that are going to purchase these trikes probably have balance issues, and they don't need to be going fast anyway. But still tons of fun on the original trike, and a lot of people have enjoyed it. If you have a Lectric trike, let me know down in the comments what you think, how it's performed for you, and if you've enjoyed it. And I'd love to hear your comments. I'm sure it'll help others decide whether or not this trike's going to be right for them. But just overall, give your riding experience, how you've enjoyed it, whether you've been out on it a lot. I'd love to hear your experience with it. I think that's most of the main features. It is going to have a 9-degree stem angle, which is going to be different, going to be more of an upright position for riders. All right, everyone, so that's going to be about it for the new Lectric XP Trike2. Like I said, I have one coming. I'll show you guys all about it. If you're interested, check out the links below. If you want to wait for the 750 watt version to get those 3 different color options, a bigger battery, 20 more Newton meters of torque, and a torque sensor, then you might want to stick around and wait for that one. If not, you can use the link to purchase the other one down below, which will be shipping the end of July. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this and found it informative. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I will see all of you around on the next one. Thanks for watching, and thank you for the support. Really appreciate it, guys.